Have you been seeing the words technical recession all over the news lately? People are starting to panic, but what does it actually mean for your wallet, jobs, and your house? Let's break it down. First, the nerdy definition. A technical recession isn't a full-blown economic collapse. It is simply a strict math metric. It means a country's gross domestic product or GDP has shrunk for 2 quarters in a row. Basically, the economy stopped growing and took a slight step backward for about 6 months. So how does actually this affect you and the normal public? On day-to-day level, a technical recession is a giant wake-up call that the economy is weak. You will start to see businesses slowing down on hiring, which means finding a new job gets tougher. Companies might cut back on bonuses and consumers start clamping down on their spending out of fear. Even if you don't lose your job, the overall vibe becomes very cautious and your dollar feels like it isn't stretching as far. But here is what everyone really wants to know. What happens to real estate? A lot of people hear the word recession and immediately think of a 2008 style housing crash. But history shows us that a technical recession usually hits real estate sales before it ever hits home prices. Because people are worried about their jobs, buyers move to the sidelines and hesitate to take on massive new mortgages, and banks start tightening up their banking rules. Now, looking at ground level right here in Canada, we are already navigating a slower moving market. But it's important to look at the data rather than the headlines. Interestingly, according to the latest Canada-wide update from the CREA, or Canadian Real Estate Association, home sales actually went up in May, which is last month. So to be clear, this isn't a signal of massive, roaring market recovery just yet. Instead, think of it as a much-needed breather. The pace has normalized. The wild bidding wars have calmed down and prices are stabilizing. That is, creates much healthier and predictable environment. The bottom line. So a technical recession is a period of economic stress, not an automatic real estate disaster. If you are looking to buy, it might actually be your best chance to negotiate a deal with zero competition. Are you pausing your real estate plans right now? Or are you waiting out the storm? Let me know in the comments below.